Today's lesson is on statistical questions. So we are just getting into the unit on probability and statistics and all of that fun stuff. So in order to proceed today, we need to know what a statistical question is. A statistical question is a question that does not have an exact answer. You should expect a variety of answers when asking a statistical question. So, for my example here, it says, Sasha wants to collect statistical information about different sports sixth graders at her school like to watch. She writes 3 questions to ask 50 sixth graders and will use the results to make a prediction about all sixth graders. Which questions are statistical and which are not? So the first question she wrote says, when is the next home basketball game? If she asks me that question and she asks you that question, will she get a different answer? No, she will not. So no, this is not a statistical question because no matter who she asks, the answer will be the same. Okay. So the second question she has here is, what is your favorite sport to watch? If she asks me that question and then she turns and asks you that question, could we possibly have different answers? Absolutely. Just because I might like to watch a volleyball game does not mean that the person sitting next to me is going to like to watch the volleyball game. The person sitting next to me could have picked basketball. So this is yes. Definitely could have different answers. And her last question she wrote says, what was the last sports game you watched at school? Could my answer differ from the person next to me? Yep. I could have went to the football game and the person next to me could have went to the baseball game if they were played in the same season. So yes, this is a statistical question as well.